So it is quite nice to do these practices lying down in Shavasana. So I've got a folded blanket under my head for a little bit of support. So if you find that your chin is sticking up in the air, a pillow will help, it will just stop that happening. And then usually legs out straight, the feet a little bit apart, so just allowing them to fall out into their natural position. Your hands down by your sides, but a little bit away from your sides. Your shoulder blades tucked under. So you're flattening the top of your back against the floor. The hands open, palms facing up, and then closing the eyes. So if it causes any strain on your lower back, we just put a bolster is ideal, but you could just use a cushion or a pillow, and then resting your legs down, still having the feet apart, still letting the feet fall out to the sides. And already I don't want to get up. Just scanning through your body, just checking every part of your body is relaxed.